two dads in Vegas.
Okay, so it's our last day at the Delano today, and we will be heading back to Heathrow tomorrow. Our flight is at 9:30, so last full day, but we do have part of tomorrow as well. So we're just going to make the most of our last full day now, do a couple of things that we really enjoyed before. Off to Olive Garden, and really enjoyed that. So yeah, the food was really good. He even bought the sauces to make a similar sort of, to recreate at home. So yeah, all good. Really enjoyed that. 10 out of 10 for Olive Garden. Like I say, we're just walking through Delano now. We're gonna walk through probably Luxor, Excalibur, and just see where we go from there. Yeah. So we stayed at the Aria for the first 4 days. That was really good. We had a really good stay there. Delano has been really good as well, but a full review is to come.
Dance, Halsey's dancing with you.
No, you're okay, yeah?
That is my very nice.
You like this? It was just tiny little... Celebrate your birthday with 3 players.
How lush is that?
Tonight the weekend, I don't wanna wear it. I don't wanna wear it. I don't wanna wear it. It's our last morning! Vegas!
Yeah? Start packing yet? Or? All sorted, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Avocados and coconuts all originally came from the tropical rainforest.
I met Eli in Detroit. There's this
Cheers. How's ready?
Show me a drink. I'm on the phone. Oh,
Cheers. Cheers. Say cheers.
Yeah, he's been okay.
Cheers.
Yeah, he's been fine. We've been in.
Cheers. Cheers. Jump in, Hals. Go on then. Go on then. Okay. Go on, Hals. Go on then, jump in. So we're just leaving Mandalay Bay. I got all sand in my eyes. I wouldn't return back to the beach club at Mandalay Bay because there's so many rules and you don't know what the rules are. Literally we're told off about 6 times for different things. For a start, Harley wasn't allowed in the wave pool bit because he was too small, which is fair enough. But then I was lying down at one point, not directly on the wave pool point, but just a little bit off where it's like a relaxed pool. I got told off, the whistle was blown and they said you can't lie down by there. I was just relaxing because of the wave pool. Then I was on the dinghy, not in the wave pool, but just on the relaxing pool. And I was on there for about half an hour. As soon as Blake was on the dinghy, they whistled and they said, "Excuse me, sir, you can't be on your dinghy there." Then Harley was jumping in and out of the pool for, quite a bit, and there were other kids doing it. And then all of a sudden they blowed the whistle again. "Sorry, you can't jump in the pool." There was just so many little things, you couldn't go too far into the wave pool, you couldn't stand too shallow in the wave pool. It was just like, there was about 8 lifeguards watching you, literally 8, I'm not even exaggerating, 8 lifeguards watching you at all times, and it felt like they were just waiting for you to do something so they could tell you off. I mean, I've never been somewhere where there's so many little rules and they don't even tell you when you're coming in, so it just feels a bit like you can't relax. So yeah, that's my review on the Mandalay Beach pool. I'm not coming back. I'd rather go to the Aria, Cosmo or Luxor pools, so much more chilled. Right guys, we're off now. Thank you for watching our vlog. Thank you, bye. We're off home now, bye.
I'll do a vlog tonight.